Today I'm reacting to she cooks lasagna in the dishwasher. What? That's so nasty. Bro, you can get germs from that. Is that even good for what if it some these come into the food and it makes someone go sick? Bro, this is so nasty. Please like and subscribe. Share share this video, please. We need to get to 2,000 subscribers, please. Like and subscribe, share, and have a nice day. Okay. Um. Now this is telling me that she uses one light bulb for 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 the whole house. Dang, she's saving a lot of money. Yo, she saves more than $60 on her electric bill. That's crazy. Wait, hold up. What's a Navy shower? First a second. I have a question for all you guys. How many minutes do you spend in the shower? Because I spend more than 2 minutes. And why should you need a baby monitor in the bathroom? Ugh. So wait a minute. This is just nasty. So if if our kids don't finish their food, they reuse it. That's kind of weird. Some tips from this video can help other people, but this is taking it way too far. Why? Just why? Why are you peeling? Why are you taking the banana off? It's bro. Imagine someone wants to get bananas. You just see two bananas. What if they wanted man? Why are you even doing that? Why if you're not gonna if you can just do that, you can just yeah. Why are you torturing the bananas? Guys, I just found out something weird. This woman, she 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 peels she peels what's it called, the outside part of the banana and just eats the inside. And she just buys it with do you know what I mean? She peels off the 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 peel or something, and she just eats the 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 inside of the banana. That is, and she just takes the peel off. Why? Why are you even doing that? It's so weird. Okay, she saves $3 for peeling the peel of bananas. What? And this woman well she never seen someone who does that to bananas. I never see people do that before. Very strange. Okay guys, this is the weirdest thing of all in the video. She's putting a lasagna in a dishwasher. A dishwasher. That is just nasty. Bro, it's about to make me throw up. So wait a minute. Why do you even need an oven if you're gonna use a dishwasher to make your lasagna? Does it make sense at all? Wait, I just heard of something else too. She 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 okay, she uses hot dogs, fish, and lasagna, and she cooks them with dishwasher all the time, all the time. How is no how are they still alive? I bro, it looks like it's gonna make someone sick or something. Dishwashers is for washing the dishes, not making lasagna. Wait, what? Bro, even her boyfriend said it. Bro, her boyfriend and even her kids and other people, they say like the lasagna tastes like water. Ew. I guess like the woman likes water flavored lasagna. Yeah. Okay. She, bro, she embarrassed her boyfriend when, bro, in front of all his friends. Dang. And now, okay. Yeah, she's very cheap. She is like one of the cheapest like the cheapest people I ever like seen before. Please like and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my other channels, Kudu Music and the Gamer Bros Productions. Subscribe to those channels too. Please like and subscribe, share this video, and have a nice day.